So for my last project of 2024, I'm kind of following the same path I've taken the last couple of years, this being a more holiday type of a project. A pretty simple one, total of 11 cuts, I counted them, and you're using one 8-foot length of a 12-inch wide piece of material. I used a piece of select pine. So I said this is a basic project, 11 cuts. Starting with cutting that 8-foot length in half, so I got 2 4-foot pieces. Then with some scrap 3-foot lengths, I cut some tapers on the ends of those. You see why that's important. I ripped a 4-inch wide piece down to 2.5. Then onto the bandsaw to cut some corners off the edge of one of those panels. From there, I used the bandsaw and again some scrap to cut a circle out. You see why that's important here in a minute. And the final actual cut piece, a little bit of an oddball looking shaped piece right there, but very important for the project. Then I sanded with the disc sander all the cut edges, just like you see me doing here. Then it was on to the paint. So because these were going outside, I started with a couple of coats of good primer and then top coated that with a really bright white. You see that right there. Then I had to do some serious masking on all the edges. You'll see why that is here in a little bit, because I'm only painting, actually finish painting one side. Just a few colors, the white, like I said, then into some black, laid down a couple, 2 or 3 coats there, so it covered real well. And lots of red, and this is a really bright red. Some more masking, of course. And then, once the paint was dry, you have to remove all that masking tape. That can be tricky sometimes. Then on to assembly. Had a few pieces to add on there. Used a 2-part epoxy glue, some staples, and believe it or not, these are assembled. Now it's time to actually get this thing installed. You can see why I cut those tapers on the ends of that scrap material there. These are going to hold up these panels. And just for fun, I invested in a solar-powered floodlight. Never been a fan of these things, but this one looked like it would be pretty good. It's fairly expensive too. And once those are up, it's time for the reveal.